Hi guys, welcome to Dhruv Labs. In this video, we are going to see how to link your Android phone and the Windows PC. If you consider as a Mac, you have the iPhone and the MacBook Pro. You have both are based on the iOS, so you can easily link or sync your phone, Android phones, iPhone and your MacBook Pro. But Windows, there is no option because it's an Android OS. So recently, Windows Microsoft Corporation has recently developed an app called Link to Windows. So with this, you can link your Android phone with your Windows PC. In this video, we will see how to do that in the step by step. Okay, for that first you have to go to the Play Store and search for link to Windows. Once you found that, just click install. Once that will be installed, the same way make sure go to your Windows PC and check whether you have link. Okay, let me type link phone link. Okay, whether this app has been installed or not. If this app is not installed, go to Microsoft Store and install it. Okay, once you installed in your Android phone, link to Windows will ask numerous various access. Okay, first will be the call access, then message access, then photo access, and the Bluetooth access. Few access will be there. Okay, so you need to give permission for all of those apps. Okay, all of this permission. You're going to give all the permissions. If you give only one permission, or if you try to not to give some few permissions, try to give only few permission, then the app will not complete the setup. So we have to forcefully have to give the all the permissions. Okay, if you can't give all the permission, then you can't use this feature. Okay, so try to give all the permission. Once you give all the permission, then come to here and link to Windows and phone link. I open here. Okay, so you can see here like because I already added the phone, otherwise it will be like this, it will be a blank page. Okay, you can click link new device, click the link device and click get started. Then I have a link to Windows app ready because you already installed the in your phone. Okay, then pair with QR code. Okay, now you will get a QR code. Okay, once you see the QR code, okay, go to your phone and scan this QR code. Okay, after this QR code is completed, then automatically your phone and your Android will be linked. Okay, now I click back, back, back. Okay, after that you can see like I link by OnePlus 80, so that will be showing here. So after that I will double click it. Okay, if you double click it, you can see calls, messages, photos. Okay, in this mobile I don't have any SIM, so that's the reason I'm seeing a blank messages and the calls. Okay, so otherwise you can see all of your inbox message and you can send your message directly from here. After the photos, because I have only one photo which is I use for the playing the game, so that screenshot is available, so that is showing here. Apart from that, you can use the audio player as well as the you can make a directly call from your Windows PC itself, but you need a Bluetooth access and you have to provide a Bluetooth access for that. Okay, in this way you can easily link your Windows PC and your Android phone. If you have any questions, please ask your question in the comment. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.